What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. As you can see, we're out here in the garage once again, bringing you guys another video to the channel. Today's video is going to be on my 24 Road Glide here, my turbocharged Road Glide I call Fighter Pilot. We're going to be installing a part on this bike that I feel every 2024 and up Harley should have. When Harley did the redesign in 24, they went to more of like a crotch rocket style gas cap on these newer bikes, and that's one thing I never was a fan of on the newer bikes. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a new billet gas cap that just came out from Bad Boy Cyclez. Huge shout out to Bad Boy Cyclez. Not only looks better on the bike, but also is much more convenient at the gas pump when you guys pull up to get some gas in these new bikes. That flap that opens up always gets in the way of the gas pump nozzle. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. I'm gonna show you guys what the gas cap looks like, and I'm gonna show you guys what tools you're gonna need to take the stock gas cap off and install the new billet gas cap from Bad Boy Cyclez. All right, guys, so here is the new billet gas cap assembly. As you can see here, it's all anodized billet. The base is like a cool star pattern with their logo on it, and the cap just twists off. Super easy and convenient, just like that. You can go ahead and fill your gas tank up quick and easy now with this new gas cap. This design here reminds me of a crotch rocket. Every crotch rocket I grew up with or been around had this style gas cap, and I don't really feel like it fits the Harley niche. This part here always gets in the way when I'm going to fill up the gas with the gas nozzle. I'm pumped that Bad Boy Cyclez came out with an awesome alternative that looks really good, really stylish, and is much more ergonomic than the factory one. So we're gonna go ahead and take the stock gas cap assembly off now and install the new billet gas cap from Bad Boy Cyclez. All right, guys, so here's a few simple tools you're gonna need to do the job. If you guys order up one of these gas caps and you wanna do the install yourself, it's really simple, really easy. All you need is a T27 Torx bit to take the factory screws out of the factory gas cap, and then you need a 5/32 Allen wrench to tighten down the new Allen head bolts that come with these billet gas caps from Bad Boy Cyclez. So super easy install. We're gonna remove the factory gas cap with the factory Torx bits and swap it out with this billet gas cap and use the hardware that they supplied, the black Allen head bolts. And then I'll show you guys what that looks like on there when we're done. All right, guys, so I realized in order to take the factory gas cap out, you have to remove the factory center console here. So you have a T27 down here and a 5/32 Allen up here. So once you remove those two screws, you'll be able to remove the center console, and then the gas cap will pop right off. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. All right, so once you take your center console off, you wanna go ahead and lift up on the factory gas cap, and this whole mechanism comes out. Make sure you don't drop anything in the hole there inside your fuel tank. And then over here, you'll have 3 T20 Torx screws holding on the outer lid to the gas cap assembly. Then we'll be able to screw the new billet lid to this assembly. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. All right, so now that the factory gas cap lid is off, we got it down here. We're gonna go ahead and take our new billet cap and secure it to the bottom half of this gas cap assembly using the same T20 screws we just took out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, and then we will drop it back in the tank, screw it down with the supplied Allen bolts, and this install will be done, guys. And just like that, the billet gas cap sits in there just like factory. We're gonna go ahead and put the 6 Allen bolts in this, button it all up, and I'll show you guys what it looks like once the center console's back on there. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, these are a 5/32 Allen bolt. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. And there you have it, guys. Check out the brand new billet gas cap from Bad Boy Cycles. The fit and finish is amazing. Literally sits in there flush, just like the factory, and gives it a nice performance bagger look. And honestly, it's more ergonomic because when you pull up to the gas pumps, all you gotta do now is just twist this open. Boom. You have free range and you don't have that flap in your way when you're going to pump gas into your motorcycle. So definitely like this design a lot better. I have a similar design on Gold Digger over here. Got the crown on there. But definitely like that design over the crotch rocket style flip up gas cap. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this new billet gas cap from Bad Boy Cycles. I think it ties in really nice with the performance bagger aesthetics on this bike. Don't mind the tour pack right now, but it gave it a nice touch. And the blue is pretty close to my powder coat blue, which everything else is powder coated. The wheels, the turbo, it matches the blue in the wrap pretty good as well. But this wrap is probably gonna come off this winter. I'm probably gonna switch it up a little bit. I'll probably leave the tank emblems, you know, to represent the fighter pilot look. I think I'm gonna switch things up for the 2026 season as well on the fighter pilot as far as the graphics go. I'll probably keep the no step. I'll keep the Air Force logo there. I definitely like how that looks, but I'm definitely gonna get rid of the carbon fiber stripe all the way down. I do have a carbon fiber rear fender that I'm gonna be putting on this bike as well to kind of lose some weight. This bike is heavy, guys. It's pretty heavy with that turbo on there, guys. I really notice it in the corners compared to Gold Digger, how heavy the front of the motorcycle feels with the turbo on it. When you ride an NA bike without the turbo, it definitely feels a lot lighter in the front end than this bike does. But yeah, there's gonna be a new look coming over the winter here for the fighter pilot. Like I said, I'm gonna remove that fake carbon fiber stripe and do something different for the 2026 season to tie in with the real carbon fiber fender I have for this. It's actually sitting in one of those boxes over there. And yeah, that's basically gonna do it for today's install video, guys. It was a quick, short one. I just wanted to put it out there. These are coming to market really soon. By the time this video drops, they will be live on their website. I will leave a link in the description below on where you guys can order these billet gas caps from Bad Boy Cycles. Make sure you guys go check out the website and order one up for your bike. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you like the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate all your support on the channel. Make sure you guys turn that notification bell on to stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, follow me on Instagram at DOOWORK Motorsports, all one word. I'll put it up here on the screen. I tend to post a little bit more on Instagram than I do on YouTube, so you guys can stay up to date with my latest post on there. I have a lot of content coming here before Daytona Bike Week. I've got big news dropping soon on Gold Digger. I'm not gonna tell you guys exactly what I'm doing just yet, but stay tuned. The next video is gonna be a vlog, and we are heading down to MIA. Yes, we are heading down to Miami. Stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a good one. I'm gonna vlog the whole trip, and I know some of you guys are wondering why I would be going down to Miami. Some of you guys are already putting 2 and 2 together, and you already know. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a good one. I'm gonna unveil what I'm doing to Gold Digger on that trip. So stay tuned. Make sure that notification bell is turned on. We got a lot of content coming for Gold Digger and also for my turbo bike. I got a lot of boxes over there in the corner, as you can see. A lot more parts to put on these bikes this winter. Get them ready for Daytona Bike Week 2026. I'm not sure yet what days I'll be there this year, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring Gold Digger and my fighter pilot, I'll update you guys on that as well. If you guys want to support the channel by buying some merch, I have t-shirts, hoodies, hats, and other things for sale on my website at DOOWORK Motorsports, all one word. I greatly appreciate all you subscribers that have been placing orders on the website. I've been getting the merch shipped out same day, so it's been working out really well. But that's gonna do it for tonight, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.